Hello, my hospice family. Good morning, good evening. Welcome back to Dun's Hospice. My name is Dunsteadler and I am your RN registered nurse. Hello to all of my new subscribers, my new followers. Thank you so much for being here today. Now, in this video, I want to talk about the most common medications used in hospice care. If you are caring, for a loved one in hospice, you've probably seen a little small box or bag of medications, that will arrive in your house or that has arrived at your house, or you may know somebody that has those little boxes and you're curious about it. Okay, I just wanted to break it down to us today. Now, when we signed under hospice care, when your loved one is signed up under hospice care, they are going to get that comfort kit. Okay, it's called the comfort kit. The goal of these medications are to relieve pain, shortness of breath, anxiety, nausea, or any other symptoms that might cause distress at the end of life. Please, my hospice family, take notes, okay? Take notes, and I'm going to ask you to share this video as you watch it. Comment, like, subscribe. Now, the first medication I want to talk about is morphine. This medication right there, this one often worries families. But hear me clearly, please. Morphine is not about hasten. Okay, it does not hasten death, but it's about relieving suffering. You see, morphine helps with pain, and at the same time, it helps with difficulty breathing. It does so by relaxing, okay? It relaxes the body, it eases breathing, and it also helps your loved ones to be more comfortable. All right. And I have a whole video about morphine, about how to draw it up, where I showed you the syringes. Okay, so please go into my videos. You'll see one just about morphine. All right. The other medication that I want to talk about, it's Ativan. So in that little box, in the little comfort kit, you're going to see also Ativan, or also known as lorazepam. And this medication right there, it is used for anxiety, restlessness, sometimes difficulty breathing also. You see, it helps to calm the mind and the body, especially if your loved one is feeling panicky, okay, or agitated. The other medication I want to go over is going to be atropine drops, or the scopolamine patches. You see, these are used to dry up secretions. Sometimes you might hear the gurgling or rattling sound that can happen as the body slows down, okay, as the body shuts down. Now, keep in mind that just a few drops, okay, just read the instructions. Oftentimes, 2 drops, just a few drops under the tongue, or just a little small patch behind the ear can bring relief very quickly to dry out that secretion. The other medication that might be in the comfort kit would be the Haldol. All right, the Haldol is used for nausea and also for agitation, okay, confusion. Now, sometimes, my hospice family, at the end of life, the body's chemistry changes because and it causes us to be restless, okay, and it also causes us to maybe hallucinate. All right, so the Haldol can bring some clarity, okay, to your loved ones, and also help them with nausea. And the other one, okay, the last medication that I want to talk about is, of course, Tylenol. And Tylenol, as we all know, it helps with fever and also mild pain. And the great thing about it is that the Tylenol can come as a suppository or in liquid form. Other medications that you might find in the kit would be Senokot, okay, Dulcolax for constipation, of course, Zofran, Compazine, Levocin, all right? These are all medications that could be found in the comfort kit. Now, if you are ever if you find yourself being unsure about a medication, please make sure you call your hospice nurse. Okay, that's what we are here for. And keep that comfort kit in a safe place away from small children. Now, I want you to know, my hospice family, that these hospice medications are tools of compassion. They are designed to help you, to help your loved one find peace and relief at end of life. Now, if this video helped you to understand these medications a bit better, please give me a thumbs up, share it with another caregiver, and subscribe for more hospice education and encouragement. You are doing God's work, and I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. Until next time, my hospice family, God bless.